like that. So we have the Edo, we have so many that I can't mention all. But today we have dedicated it for a cultural day. So what is the essence of today, of having a cultural day? I'll say the essence is to have good relationship among ourselves. So you know that no matter how they are dressed, no matter the languages they speak, no matter the food they eat in other culture, we are one. Are we listening?
I'm quiet now.
We are one, and that makes us a nation. Yes, it's not only in Nigeria that we have different ethnic groups. Every country has different ethnic groups. But in Nigeria, we so much value culture. And that is why, as parents and as a school, they are imbibing it in you, so you start learning from a very young age to relate with people from other cultures, to learn to eat their food, if possible, learn their languages. So when you find yourself in their midst somewhere in life, you will feel at home and you will relate well. Let there be no diversification, let there be no differences. Let's not say one culture is better than the other. Let's relate in love because we are one. And that is the essence of today's gathering. May God help us and bless our nation in Jesus' name.
Let's start for mommy. So mommy, we love you. So mommy, we love you. So thank you, ma.